In this video, we'll show you exactly how to remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Maybe you created your Bitmoji years ago and don't like it anymore. Maybe it feels outdated or embarrassing. Or maybe you just want a clean profile without any avatar. Whatever the reason, here's how to remove it step by step. First, open the Snapchat app. Look at the top left corner of the screen, you'll see your Bitmoji there. Tap on it to open your profile page. Before we continue, keep this in mind: once you remove your Bitmoji, you cannot restore it with one tap. If you change your mind later, you'll need to recreate it from scratch. So make sure you're certain before deleting it. Now, on your profile page, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Snapchat's layout changes from time to time, so if things look slightly different, don't worry, the steps are still similar. Scroll down until you find the section related to Bitmoji. In most updated versions, you can either scroll down to find Bitmoji directly, or tap the search icon at the top of settings and type Bitmoji. Once you tap on Bitmoji, scroll down to the bottom. You'll see the option Unlink My Bitmoji. Tap on it. Confirm your decision when prompted. That's it. Go back to the main screen, and you'll notice your Bitmoji is no longer visible in the top left corner. Your profile will now appear blank without the avatar. And that's how you remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat. Follow for more simple and easy tech tutorials.